you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is highly requested. I am a Urban Hydration ambassador. Urban Hydration is a Black owned company, so you guys know I'm all for that. But today I will be featuring the Urban Hydration Laid and Slayed Pro Gel. I've gotten a lot of compliments. Let's see if you guys can see. This is how it looks. This is how it comes. I've gotten a lot of compliments on my hair and what I use, and I've also been asked, hey, can you do a tutorial, because I feel that my hair doesn't turn out the same as yours. So I'm here to do that for you guys. Disclaimer, I am in my room. The Rona, aka the coronavirus, has us all quarantined.
Guess what, bitch? Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real! Shit is real! Coronavirus! Shit is real! Shit is getting real!
Yeah, my job says, yeah, don't come to work till at least April 3rd. Could be longer, could be shorter. So yeah, we're teleworking. So if y'all hear some emails, that's just that, trying to multitask. And excuse the setup in the back. I'm rearranging my room, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys because, again, the Rona has all my packages delayed. Okay, my ring light, my PR package from Urban Hydration, all that. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I got a little setup, so if you see me looking down, I have a mirror down here. So let's get to it. And yes, and of course, if you guys like what you see by the time the video ends, I will put my referral link in the description box below, and you can purchase the Urban Hydration Honey line or whatever products you see on the site for yourself. Okay, so what I first used, and this isn't my first choice, but I couldn't really find what I usually use, but it just works just as well. So I have, I would say like 4B type, between 4A and 4B type hair. My hair is currently in its natural state, freshly washed, no product in it whatsoever, as y'all can see. My hair is naturally coily, tight curls, very tight curls. So before I do anything, I lightly dampen my hair with some type of, leave-in conditioner or something. So I'm gonna do that very lightly. I don't like my hair to be drenched before I start this process, which usually, y'all, this is gonna take, this video, it may be like 5 minutes, because I literally, everybody's like, what do you do to your hair? How long does it take? When I tell you 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Of course, this video might be a little longer because I'm talking, but y'all, I've been doing this for so long. And ever since I found Urban Hydration and become an ambassador for them, y'all, I love this product. And I'm not saying that because I'm an ambassador. Like, before I was an ambassador, I stumbled across this product and fell in love with it. So my hair is lightly dampened. I repeat, I do not like my hair to be soaking wet. And as you can see, just from the curl refresher, I use the Cantu for Kids because I'm childish. No, but I use the Cantu for Kids because it just works really well for me. I don't really like all that heavy product weighing my hair down. But as you can see, my curls are already looking more moisturized than when we started this video. So then, this is a very important step for me. I use black castor oil. This is the brand Sunny Isles. This is the only castor oil you should be using on your hair. All that other stuff, that, loose liquid castor oil. So I'll take that much and I will coat my entire hair with it. I'm heavy-handed, y'all, so sometimes I'll go back in with a little bit more. But I coat my entire hair before I even put the gel on top of my hair, just for extra hydration and extra protection. That's what I do. So, but be careful, because I don't really put black castor oil on like my hairline, because at the end of this video, you guys will see like I kind of style my baby hairs, and if you have too much oil on your like baby hair or hairline, the gel just doesn't lay them down. If you have hair like me, it just makes them even more curly, and I don't particularly like that, but if you like that, then do you. All right, hair is saturated. Next, final product, and this is the gem, y'all. This is the gem. So I always start from back to front, and I put the product like so. And you guys will notice like it will be white for like a few minutes depending on how much product you put in your hair, but then it eventually goes away. So like if you're about to go out, I would recommend you doing your hair like an hour, 30 minutes before, just to give your hair ample amount of time to dry and set, and so that you're not walking around and people are like, why is your hair white? Like, it eventually goes away. Black people know. You know, this is part of the process. So I'm gonna speed this up so y'all can see. I'm gonna stop talking and y'all will see what I do. Okay, you guys, so I don't even think it's been 5 minutes, but as you can see, the white is starting to go away. I don't really have much to do to my edges, so I don't really think I'm going to touch that. But if you decide to, you don't really need any other type of gel. Sometimes if I get too much oil like on the front, I will take some other thicker gel and lightly put it here. But this time I don't need to, so I would just pull a little bit of this hair down, which are my baby hair. I really don't do too much. And I may do a little bit of that, a little bit of this, but y'all, I'm pretty much done. And my hair will dry shortly, but this is basically the finished product. The white, as I said, it will go away. Just be patient. Like, it does not take hours. It does not take a long time. Like, my hair is pretty thick, and when I tell you, by the time like I do it before I get dressed, by the time I'm finished getting dressed, the white is pretty much gone. So you will not be going outside looking crazy. And I do use a lot of product. Keep that in mind, guys. So if you don't need as much product as I do, I just prefer a lot of product because my hair is very, very thick, and I don't like it to be, I like it a certain type of way. So yes, this is what it's looking like. And of course, like I said, if you have a little bit of white, you know, on your, you know, parts you don't want, just take a little napkin and wipe it off. It's not the end of the world. And like I said, I don't know if I said this at the beginning of the video, but my PR package, they have assured me that even though it's delayed, it is coming, and that will include the entire, I believe, Urban Hydration honey line, not just the gel. So I will do a full tutorial from shampoo to styling in another video. So you guys will see that, but this is just featuring the gel. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check my link out in the description box below. And if you try this product, please tag me on your Instagram or whatever it is. I will also put my Instagram handle in the description box below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.